Morning guys, today we've got here REALME 11 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, open your phone together. Now choose the contact that you want to personalize. Let me find some contact with no photo, for example this one. Then select edit and mark profile picture. And as you can see, you've got several options. You can choose this picture from device photos. You can also open your camera and grab a photo straight away. You can go with Google Photos. You can create monogram or pick some illustration. Let me choose some photos from my gallery. Here we've got some Dua Lipa photo. Then you can rotate it, tap on choose, and mark save to apply it. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this photo is assigned to particular contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.